Ever found yourself juggling a million tasks, clicking through endless tabs and wondering, is there a simpler way? You're knee-deep in projects, deadlines loom, and the idea of downloading yet another application feels like adding fuel to the fire. You've heard whispers of Asana, this magical tool that everyone swears by for organization, but the thought of installing it on your already cluttered computer feels like a mountain. So, a simple question pops into your head. Can you even use Asana in your browser? That's exactly what we're tackling today. Because, let's be honest, in a world where speed and accessibility are king, the last thing you need is another software installation. We're bombarded with apps, programs, and downloads, each promising to streamline our lives, but often just adding to the digital clutter. So, the idea of managing projects directly in your browser without the hassle of downloads is incredibly appealing. Think about it. You're in a library using a shared computer. You're at a friend's house, needing to quickly check a project status. Or maybe you're simply working on a device with limited storage. In these scenarios, the ability to access your project management tools through a browser is not just convenient, it's essential. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back and understand why Asana has become such a staple in the world of project management. It's not just a fancy to-do list. It's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline team collaboration, track progress, and ensure everyone stays on the same page. From startups to large enterprises, Asana has carved out a niche for itself by offering a flexible and intuitive way to manage projects of any scale. But what makes it so special? Well, it's the ability to break down complex projects into manageable tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and visually track progress. Features like boards, lists, calendars, and timelines provide a holistic view of your projects, allowing you to identify bottlenecks and ensure everything stays on track. And all of this accessible from anywhere, in theory. We've all been there, right? You get an email from a team member asking for an update, and you have to scramble to find the right document or log into a specific application. It's time-consuming, frustrating, and often leads to miscommunication. Asana, on the other hand, centralizes all project-related information, making it easy for everyone to access the latest updates and collaborate effectively. Imagine a marketing team launching a new campaign. They need to coordinate content creation, social media promotion, and press outreach. With Asana, they can create a project board with different sections for each aspect of the campaign, assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. This eliminates the need for endless email threads and ensures everyone is aligned. Or consider a software development team working on a new feature. They can use Asana to create sprints, track bugs, and manage code reviews. The platform's integration with other tools like Slack and GitHub further streamlines the development process, allowing for seamless communication and collaboration. Now, back to our original question. Can you use Asana in your browser? The short answer is a resounding yes. Asana is primarily a web-based application, meaning you can access it from any modern browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. This accessibility is one of its key strengths, allowing you to manage your projects from anywhere with an internet connection. But what does this browser experience look like? Is it as feature-rich as the desktop application? In most cases, the answer is yes. Asana's web interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, providing access to all the core features you need to manage your projects effectively. You can create and assign tasks, set deadlines, add comments and attachments, and track progress using various views like lists, boards, and calendars. The browser version also supports integrations with other tools, allowing you to connect Asana with your favorite apps and streamline your workflow. However, there are a few minor differences between the browser and desktop versions. For instance, the desktop app might offer slightly better performance in certain scenarios, especially when dealing with large projects or complex workflows. It might also offer some additional features or integrations that are not yet available in the browser version. But for the vast majority of users, the browser version of Asana is more than sufficient. It provides all the essential tools you need to manage your projects effectively, without the need for any downloads or installations. This accessibility makes it an ideal solution for teams that are geographically dispersed or for individuals who need to access their projects from multiple devices. Now, let's address some common concerns. You might be wondering about security. Is it safe to access your project data through a browser? Asana takes security seriously, employing industry-standard encryption and security measures to protect your data. You can rest assured that your information is safe and secure, whether you're accessing Asana through a browser or a desktop application. Another common concern is performance. Will the browser version be as fast and responsive as the desktop app? While there might be minor differences in performance, Asana's web interface is optimized for speed and efficiency. You should be able to navigate the platform and manage your projects without any significant delays or slowdowns. So, how do you get started with Asana in your browser? It's simple. Just open your preferred browser, navigate to Asana's website, and create an account. Once you're logged in, you can start creating projects, assigning tasks, and collaborating with your team. You can customize your workspace to fit your specific needs, create templates for recurring projects, and set up notifications to stay informed about important updates. Asana's flexibility allows you to tailor the platform to your unique workflow, making it an indispensable tool for project management. And the best part? You can access your projects from any device with an internet connection. Whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, you can stay connected and manage your projects on the go. This accessibility ensures that you're always in control, no matter where you are. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.